I'd like to talk with you about the rules of gun safety really quick. Before we get started, we are using a unloaded pistol. First rule of gun safety is always treat all firearms as if they are loaded. Rule number 2, always point the gun in a safe direction. It's extremely important. Number 3, never put your finger inside the trigger guard until you are up on target and ready to fire. Rule number 4, know your target and what's behind it. Also another extremely important one. So, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like and subscribe button, and for more information, check out the description below.